Now located in Adesanya or Gombo, this estate is already selling fast. And it's not so far from Ajah. It has other notable landmarks like Lagos Business Schools, ShopRite, Novara Mall, and it's about 8 minutes from VGC, so don't wait up. Alright guys, welcome to Paragon Terraces and Duplexes. Inside this estate, we have 2 to 4 bedroom terraces, and they are quite spacious and they're all smart homes. Like I always tell you, it's going to sell out. You don't wait to buy land, you buy lands and you wait. Same goes for property. You don't wait to buy a property, you buy a property and you wait. Now, one thing about smart homes is that you can control your home from the comfort of your phone. You can control the lights, you have a security door, you have Bluetooth surround speakers all over the house, and a whole lot of other things. For as low as 35 million naira, you too can be a proud owner of an apartment in Paragon Terraces. The property consists of terraces, semi-detached duplexes, and fully detached duplexes, which is going for 65 million naira as an off-plan price. What this simply means is that you are getting a fully detached duplex at a very, very affordable price. Trust me, the price is going to go up. So if you want to get a fully detached duplex, don't even hesitate. If you want to get one of the most affordable smart homes very, very close to Ajah, then give me a call now.